Hi, I'm Rhiannon from BBQ Spit Rotisseries, and today we're cooking from home, where I'm going to show you how you can use our barbecue rubs in your everyday home cooking. If you're looking to recreate those authentic Greek style flavours at home and you don't have time to fire up the barbecue, using the Flaming Coals Greek Gyros rub on your chicken thigh will satisfy any sort of craving. The first step is to remove any excess fat from your chicken thigh. Once we've removed the excess fat from the chicken thigh, we just need to cut it up into small cubes. Once the chicken's all diced up, it's time to rub it with some Greek Gyros seasoning. We're going to put our chicken aside to let those Greek Gyros flavours seep in and prepare our potatoes. My favourite side to have with our chicken gyros is roast potatoes seasoned also with the Greek gyros seasoning. Depending on the size of your potatoes, either cut them into quarters or cut them into about 6 or 8ths. Once the potatoes are cut, put a bit of oil on and then season with the Greek gyros rub. Once you've seasoned your potatoes, put them in a baking tray. I like to line mine with aluminium foil, spread them out and get them into an oven that's preset to 180 degrees. So we've let our chicken thigh marinate for about 20 minutes. It's time to get it into the hot pan. So the chicken's been cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's done. Let's see how we went. That's good. Our potatoes have been cooking in the oven for about 35 minutes at 200 degrees. They're nice and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Let's see how we went. They're really good. So the chicken thigh and the potatoes looked amazing to me. Let's see what the experts think. Go on kids, give it a try. What do you think? It's good? What do you reckon, mate? Good. Good? We've got the tick of approval.